Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to deposit money on Binance using your debit card. All right, so first up, open up the Binance app. Now, once you're in here on your dashboard, okay, what you'll do is just go ahead and go to Assets. Okay, tap on Assets, and in here, let's just go ahead over to Add Funds. Okay, now once that's done, you can now go ahead and tap on Buy with USD. Okay. And it is, of course, if you want to buy token directly. If you want to add in money to or fiat money to your Binance account, well, you can just go ahead over to funding or spot. Okay, add funds right here, and the same goes right here. Buy with USD. Okay, let's say for example under spot. So tap on buy crypto easily via bank transfer, card, and etc. Okay, so here buy what currency you have: USD, PHP, Euro. Up to you. You can tap on the drop down, select the currency right here. Now, once that's done, you can go ahead and select the crypto that you wanted to buy right here. Okay. For example, USDC, USDT, BNB, BTC, Ethereum. Or if you can't see your specific coin, you can just go ahead and use the search bar right here. Okay. For example, Doge. All right. Tap on it and then just go ahead and tap on payment method. Make sure that you select card right here. Okay. Card or even Apple Pay or Google Pay. And once done, just hit on confirm. Follow simple prompts. It will ask you to enter your card details if it's your first time. If not, it will just ask you to verify that it's you. Okay, so enter the amount, confirm, preview order. Okay, for this amount of money, you will receive this amount of Doge. So just tap on preview order, just like so. Wait for it a bit. And again, as if it told you earlier, if it's your first time, it will ask you for your card number. If not, it will just need to verify that it's you. Okay, follow simple prompts and in no time, you'll have your money or even crypto under your crypto assets or Binance assets right here under funding, spot, or your whole asset right here. Okay, and that is how you deposit money on Binance with a debit card. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.